Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and today we are doing a DIY. I'm going to paint some Nike Air Force Ones. So let's get started. So instead of sitting on the couch, I'm actually going to move down to the floor so you can see what I'm doing on my coffee table. So I have this newspaper that I put over the table just to protect it from the paint. I bought this kit from Angelus Paints and they are the go-to brand for painting leather and leather shoes specifically. So the kit comes with the cleaner, the leather preparer, an acrylic finisher, and then the colors that I got are the colors to use to create different tones of neutral. So I'm going to be mixing some of these colors together and using some of them plain. They've been sitting for a while, so they're a little separated. I'll have to shake that up. But we have brown, beige, we have sand, orange, and flat white. And then it comes with this brush for cleaning the shoes, which I'm definitely going to need because I've been wearing these for at least 6 months. Took me a while to actually sit down and do this DIY. And then I have these paint brushes that also came in the kit for the leather paint. So I'm going to start with cleaning them. I forgot I have this from my painting days, so I'm going to use this palette paper just to mix some different colors for the neutral tones. I also have masking tape to put over the shoes for the parts that I don't want to get paint on, just in case. So I'm going to take the laces off first so we don't get paint on the laces. And then, oh, these are so dirty. Might need to get some new laces for these shoes. Okay, the laces are off the shoes. So now I'm going to clean them with this easy cleaner for suede, leather, buck, rubber, linen, Gore-Tex, nylon, satin, canvas, plastic, and vinyl. Okay, so I just cleaned the shoes. They're looking a lot better. Still not perfect, but that's okay. They're old shoes, so what do you expect? They're not going to be perfect. It's fine. They're going to get worn and messed up anyways. And now I'm going to use the leather preparer to take off the factory finish from the shoes, and that will make it easier to apply the paint. I am not painting the entire shoe, so I am just going to take off the factory seal for the parts that I want to paint. Paint here. I have the white and the beige. I have the white, the sand, and the beige. The sand is kind of a green color. Don't know why they named it sand. And then I have white, beige, sand, and orange. And I put a little bit more of each color in this darker color. I was going to try and add the brown, but I've been trying to open that for like 5 minutes. So let's get to painting. I'm just mixing this with the brush. You could use a paint palette if you have one. So we're going from light to dark. So this is the lightest color. So I'm going to paint the swoosh the lightest color, and I'm going from light to dark because I'll probably want to use the same brush because of the size of the brush. I'm going to paint light to dark instead of dark to light. So now I am painting the second color. The swoosh looks pretty good so far. Have it on both, and now I'm going to paint next to it with the darker color. I did 3 coats for the swoosh, and then we'll see, probably need 3 coats for this as well because this paint is pretty thin. So I could not open the brown paint at all. and I wanted to get this done. I didn't want to wait until my brother came over for dinner to ask him to open it, so I literally had to take a hammer to it, but it worked. So this is how the shoes turned out. I'm pretty pleased. Okay guys, I just finished painting the shoes and putting on the acrylic finisher, which is kind of what sets the paint and it allows it to be movable without cracking while you're wearing shoes. And I'm really happy with how they turned out. It did take 3 to 4 coats of paint, even more for the lighter color for the swoosh. And I just wanted to make sure that I had enough paint on there so that it'll last and look nice and have full color. So this is the final product and I'm excited to wear them. Gotta let them dry a little bit and then I will be rocking these. I hope you guys really like this tutorial on how to paint your Nike Air Force Ones. They are pretty easy to paint because they obviously already have these kind of like outlines on them. So even doing it without the tape is not too hard. I messed up in a couple spots, but not too bad. And getting a text message. The lucky thing about it is that these shoes are already dirty, so you can't really tell. Hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I can't open the brown. Oh my god. What the fuck? I feel like they glued this shit shut.